Baked oats recipe. For this week's recipe, I've tried to make porridge a bit more creative. Ingredients: 1. 45 grams of oats, 3 porridge scoops. 2. 70 milliliters of preferred milk, about 4.5 porridge scoops. 3. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 4. Fruit. I added in a handful of raspberries and half a banana. Method: I placed all my ingredients in the blender and then poured them onto a tray. I used a muffin tray because it was the smallest dish we had. Cook in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Or, you could mash the banana, place all the ingredients in a bowl and mix together, then place on a tray. Cool in oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Options: you could even add in honey, peanut butter, almond butter, maple syrup, nuts, a few chocolate chips, cacao powder into the mixture. Toppings: I added the rest of the banana and some strawberries to the top of mine. You could even add some yogurt, milk, any fruit, nuts, any syrup.